Hello students, welcome to our chemistry class. Here, let us discuss about most important numerical questions from board exams. In this module, I have included questions related to density of unit cell. Here we have the first question. Question is, gold having atomic mass 197 U and atomic radius 0.144 nanometer crystallizes in a face-centered unit cell. Determine the density of gold. What we have to find out? We have to determine the density of gold. Edge length is not given. Correct? Step 1. Let's find out the edge length. That is the calculation of, let's write it, calculation of edge length, right? For that, we know for face-centered cubic crystal or unit cell, R is equal to A divided by 2 root 2. Clear? In a face-centered cubic unit cell, R is equal to A divided by 2 root 2. Correct? Now from this, we can find out A. Therefore, A is equal to 2 root 2 R. Okay? That is equal to 2 into, root 2 value is 1.414 into, here R is given in the question, R is radius is 0.144 nanometer. While converting it into centimeter, you have to multiply with 10 raised to minus 7. So we get a 0.144 into 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter, right? Therefore, while calculating, A is equal to, we get A is equal to 4.07 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Correct? Now we have got A with us. Now, question is asked us to find out the or determine the density of gold. Correct? So children, we must know how can we calculate the density. So second step 2 is calculation of density. In calculation of density, it is given that it is FCC. Therefore, Z is equal to 4. Let's write in the bracket since FCC unit cell. Clear? And in question it is given molecular mass M is equal to 197 U, that is equal to 197 gram per mole. Okay? Now we know that Na, that is Avogadro number is 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 mole inverse. Correct? And A we have already calculated. A is equal to 4.07 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Clear? And the formula to find out, what we have to find out? We have to find out the density of gold. What is the formula of density of gold? Or to find the density, D is equal to Z into M divided by Na into A cube. This is the formula. We have Z. Z is in FCC it is 4, correct? And molecular mass, M is molecular mass, that is already given in the question, 197 U, correct? Then Na is Avogadro number, that is 6.022 or 2 you can take, 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 mole inverse. And A we have already calculated here, that is A is equal to 4.07 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Clear? Now let's put up all this in the equation, that is Z is 4 into 197 divided by 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 into 4.07 into 10 raised to minus 8. This is our Avogadro number and this is our A. This is A cube. Since it is A cube, you have to put a cubed root of this. So by calculating it, we get D is equal to 19.415 gram per cubic centimeter. Is it clear, children? Let me repeat once again. We have the question. What is the question? Gold having atomic mass 197 U and atomic radius means R, 0.144 nanometer, crystallizes in a face-centered unit cell. Determine the density of gold. Clear? In the first step, what we have done is we have calculated the edge length. What is edge length? Edge length means A. Okay. For getting A, we have a formula for FCC. R is equal to A divided by 2 root 2. Okay. From that, A we have calculated A is equal to 2 root 2 R. 2 into root 2 value 1.414 into R is already given in the question, 0.144 into 10 raised to minus 7. So we have got A here. Then we go into the second step. Second step is calculation of density. That is, already we can say that Z is equal to 4 because it is a face-centered unit cell. In face-centered unit cell, there are a total 4 atoms are present. Clear? How do we get 4 atoms? We take a face-centered cubic. That is, if this is the unit cell in which all the corners there are 1 atoms we expect. Clear? So all the corners, that is 8 into 1 by 8 portion is there, correct? That is 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to, cancel this, 1 we get. And in faces, there are 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and in the front 6 faces are there. So 6 into 1 by 2, that is, you cut these 2, you get 3, that is 3. So therefore total is 1 plus 3 is 4. So that's how we get Z is equal to 4. Okay. M is molecular mass. M is equal to, already given in the question, 197 U. So we also know that Na is the Avogadro number. A we have already calculated it out. Okay. So we put it in the formula. D is equal to Z into M divided by Na into A cube. Children, you must remember this formula. Okay. On substituting the values in the formula, we get the value D is equal to 19.415 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, children? All of you understood? Thank you. So children, here we have the second question, that is, the compound CuCl has ZNS structure and the edge length of unit cell is 500 picometer. In the previous question we had edge length was not given, correct? In earlier question radius was only given. Here directly edge length is given, that is 500 picometer. Calculate its density. In bracket, what are the things given is atomic mass of Cu is given 63 and chlorine we know that is 35.5 and Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, either you can take a 6.022 or 6.023, there is no problem, only a slight difference comes. Okay, here what is given, M is equal to, M we can calculate, mass of copper is 63 plus mass of chlorine is 35.5, right? So total comes 98.5 gram per mole, correct? And children, we know A is already given in this question. A is 500 picometer, correct? That is equal to 500 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter, right? And we have Z is equal to 4 atoms. Since it is in a FCC, so we have 4 atoms and Na is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to 23, which is already given in the question itself. So by using the formula, you know, what is the formula? D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na or Na into A cube. It's no problem. So by putting the values in the formula, D is equal to 4 atoms into 98.5 gram per mole is our molecular mass. Okay, M is 98.5 divided by 500 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter the whole raised to 3. Why? Because it is A cube we have to write into 6.023 into 10 raised to 23, correct? So altogether it comes D is equal to 5.23 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay children, I hope you understood this. I will be coming up with the other questions in the next module, and if you are having any doubts, you may please comment doubts in the comment box and send it to me. Okay, thank you students, thank you and have a nice day.